Welcome back guys to a new tutorial. How to send follow-up emails to unresponsive customer with n8n. In this tutorial you learn how to automatically send follow-ups email to customer who haven't responded or engaged after a specific event, purchase, newsletter, form submission. We will cover triggering the workflow from Google Sheets or a CRM containing the customer interaction, checking if the customer has responded, opened email, submitted form or left feedback, sending a personalized follow-up email to unresponsive customer, logging responses and follow-ups in Google Sheets, and automating multiple follow-up attempts with the delay nodes. This workflow is perfect for sales teams, marketing agencies, or e-commerce stores that want to increase engagement and conversion without manual follow-ups. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the Google Sheet node that will read the customer list. Let's open it. His purpose is to retrieve a list of customers to check for unresponsive behavior. So on the operation will be read to read the rows. Your sheet ID will be your Google Sheet ID. The range will be the column from A to E. So first column will be the name, the email, last interaction, feedback response status, and the follow-up status. It matters because this provides the data to determine which customer need a follow-up. After that, you'll have the if node to check the customer response. So you have this value, JSON feedback. This will determine if the customer has responded. So the true branch, customer is responding, proceed to follow-up email. So JSON feedback equal and JSON response status not responding. So it's not if you don't have any feedback and not responses, we'll go to the true branches to the next node that is send follow-up email. So to the not send for to the delay before follow-up. Okay, this delay node, his purpose is to wait a configurable amount of time before sending the follow-up email. Let's say 48 hours. We'll put that. We'll avoid spamming the customer immediately and respect the natural response time. After that, you have to send the follow-up email from email our company to email json.email. Subject, we notice you haven't responding, let us help. On the text, we have this. Hey JSON name, you notice you haven't responding regarding your recent interaction with us. We'd love to assist you and hear your feedback. Please click here to respond and put the link. Thank you, your company. This method, because it's personalized, follows up, increase engagement and the conversion rate. And if you have a response, you see the false branch don't go anywhere. Okay, that will ensure only the unresponsive customers will receive the follow-up. So the false is no action needed. Okay, let's continue. And the last note is to update the follow-up status. His purpose is to logs that a follow-up email has been sent. So operation will be update. Range will be the your sheet ID from A to E. The column will the follow-up status with the sent. Why it matters? Because we'll keep track of each customer have been contacted to avoid the duplicate emails. I hope you enjoy also this tutorial, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.